Hey everyone, how's it going? So with everything going on in the news today about what's happening in Ukraine and everything that the people are going through, I wanted to take this opportunity to show my support for Ukraine on my channel Artland. So I'm going to be showing you how to draw a heart with the Ukrainian flag inside of it. This is just a simple way of showing my support for all the people over there and everything that they are going through right now. So I hope you follow along and get to enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our heart, we're going to begin right here. So what we want to do is we want to make a nice line that's just going to curve up and then come down. So we're going to start here. We're just going to curve this out and then we're just going to bring it in here. Now I want to do the same thing on the other side. So what we're going to do is we're going to bring this out. We're going to curve this around and then bring it right down to here and connect it. Now right inside of here, since this is going to be a Ukrainian flag heart, we're just going to make a little line that's just going to go down and then come up. So I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to go down and then I'm going to come up here. Now this is going to be very simple to color. I'm going to use blue at the top and yellow at the bottom. I'm going to use a little bit of a darker blue and yellow to do some shading, and then I'm going to take a white colored pencil and add a little bit of a highlight in here. And then I'll outline the whole thing in a darker black. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.